Ayan, biglang nag-content tapos may nakita mga prutas. Hi! So, it's creative today. Story time! Let's talk about... Ayan, kasama. Let's talk about 3 things I'm thankful for in year 2025. So, number 1, I started my nutritional plan and I lost 9.5 kilos already. And may kasama akong bodyguard. And then, takeaway ko dyan. Very important when we talk about commitment, consistency, and grit. So, commitment, when my coach told me na this is the plan, these are the limitations sa iyong pagkain. So, I said, okay, yes, coach. And then, when you say consistency naman, yeah, you have to show up every single day. Araw-araw. What if my travel? What if my office activity? Yes, may dala akong baonan. Yes, may dala akong mga rice cooker every time I travel. Tapos nagluluto ako inside the hotel yun. And greet yung mga times na mahirap but you have to continue. So, may mga ganyan. Lalo na yung pag nagpa-plateau ako. So, mahirap yun. Pag nagpa-plateau ka, you just have to believe in the process na maniniwala ka na papayat ka pa rin. So, you have to be consistent. You have to show up every single day. So, number 2 naman na thankful ako for this year. I started content creation. So, takeaway ko sa content creation, yan, nagtakbo ang dog natin. You don't need to know everything to start. Just go there and learn along the way. So, yun ang mga natutunan ko. I'm still learning. Maraming mga learning process pa akong mga dapat matutunan. And number 3, estudyante na uli ako. I went back to school. So, oh my gulay! Alright, ayan. Ayan, biglang nag-content tapos may nakita mga prutas. Oh my God! We have, hindi ko alam, may mga mangustin pala dito. So, this is really surprising. Sige, kukunin natin yan. Alright, so, sige, tapusin to. So, number 3, estudyante na uli ako. So, takeaway ko dito, importante yung network. Kasi pag may network ka, marami kang pwedeng mapagtanungan. So, from my network, doon ka na kita ang school na to. So, it's 100% na online na learning. So, thank you, year 2025. And that's what's creative today. See you on the next one. Bye! Sige, mawa natin sa mangustin. Ari na, ang manugsingits ng mangustin. Ari tayo. 2, 3. Okay. Parang isa. Then, okay. 2. Oh, sige. Okay, and 3. Thank you. And thank you. And that's what's creative today. See you on the next one. Bye. Diba? This is an unexpected gift.